going.
Got any comments?
This is the hardest part right here because you got all these little nooks and crannies. So I do the best I can. I'm no expert at this, so.
The hardest part being the shower caddies.
Yeah, because you got all like, you can forget.
Corners.
You know, like, oh yeah, that. The good thing is this is dark and the mortar was white, so I can kind of see where I've missed gaps. Do you know what I mean? Like
Yeah,
seeing it.
we were going to go with a lighter color, but I guess
We're
that
doing
changed.
this so we can match the walls, which are going to be wood, and so they'll be darker. So hopefully it'll pick up the contrast. It'll be nice. It's kind of like complementing your house with pillows. Kind of the same idea. Or blankets.
Contrast.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. I think I got that. So I started off and the mortar is really thin. And it was dripping a little bit. I mean, I think that's fine. And now I put too much stuff in it. And now it's like
What stuff?
grout.
Grout
Like
mixture.
my grout mixture is too thick now.
So what do you do? Just take this grout mixture and mix water with it?
A little bit.
And what's your
But, like, I can
consist?
just-
what's-
I'm gauging it. I'm not even.
Well, what's the
I guess.
consistency?
So look. See how it's almost too thick? It needs to be a little bit more runny. So maybe if I just mix the water in, I try to get it a little bit thinner. But then you don't want it runny because then you can't deal with it. It drips all over the place.
Yeah, it looks good to me.
You know, I just
Similar
mix
to
it
the
up.
mortar, which
Yep.
is works.
Just mix it up a little bit. You know, it's nice and smooth. It's great. It's got no rocks in it. It is sanded stuff. So the sanded stuff works in smaller cracks. And the unsanded is for wider cracks. So if you got a big gouge, that's not big. Probably a half an inch.
Those
Not
are,
big. These are like quarter of an inch.
No, they're not.
Eighth of an inch.
they're 1/8 inch, because
Yeah.
that's the
So
size of the dividers
They're
we used.
small, and so you want to go with sanded grout because it fits in the cracks easier.
Hmm.
And you have to use something that's this. It's a rubber,
Why?
economy rubber grout float because you'll scratch your tile if you don't use it.
Oh, like if you
I
use a
use
metal?
this.
Yeah.
Metal to try and get in the corners, but I'm very careful because you can scratch your tiles, and that's not cool because I know you guys all spent a lot of money on your tiles, and the last thing you want to do is scratch shit out of your tiles.
This has turned into a tutorial.
Yep. Why not?
Most of my stuff isn't, but that's okay. If you want to do tutorials, that's fine. Those little nooks and crannies, those are the tough ones. And those little shelves there and there overhang, and they also have a bit of a tip so the water runs off. I didn't show any of that because filming in this tiny space with a camera and me doing the work, it's kind of tight. So I didn't film.
And like I gotta start wiping down. Although it's still pretty runny up there. I can feel it.
And when you wipe down, do you do it on a straight? Do you do it level, parallel? Do you do it in an angle?
When I go to wipe it, I'll do this way with a sponge. But for now,
Why do you do that?
because otherwise you take the grout out. So if you go this way with a sponge, you'll take the grout right out.
Pulls
So
it
you'll
out?
have an angle.
Ah,
This will all be
okay.
a mess. This whole thing will be a mess. So we go in an angle.
What do you mean a mess?
Like the whole tiles will be brown.
So the grout will be all over the tiles.
Yep.
So how many times do you think you'll have to wash it off before?
A lot. So this is the easiest part. The hardest part is washing everything off. Is to wash and wash and wash. And if you leave it till the next day, you'll have a film on your tile, and there's like a, it's not, it doesn't
So
pop.
grouting is a one-day deal.
Like shadowy, yeah. Well, for the most part, yeah. I mean, you can grout and come back the next day, but not the same tile, you know. Come back.
Okay, I'm outside sanding. Do you want to switch off for a bit? Let me do that, and you do the... Guess she doesn't want to do any sanding.
No, sanding, I don't much prefer doing this.
I'm sanding the old oak boards that are going to go in this bathroom on the walls. We got the black up. It's a vapor barrier, which we thought would be good to put up in a bathroom. There's vapor barrier behind all of those tiles also. Okay. So, first wipe down looks pretty good. Tomorrow, we'll come back and do a final wipe, clean up all the haze from the grout.
Yep.
And
You
then,
can't really see it, but it's amazing how much stuff is on there. Like once you get a little wet paper towel, but right now I want the grout to,
settle,
yeah,
solidify.
seal. Yep.
So there's plastic on this, which we'll take off. And we're also getting a glass door that will go in here. Not sure when that'll come, but a couple of days. But I think we'll put the walls up on the floor in before we do the glass door.